Now, let's just take Shell as a company. Well, they're an oil company. What would they have to think about? Well, first of all, they'd have to think about their reserves. And one of the things that happened a few years ago is Shell was a bit of a question mark over the level of reserves they have. So how long are they likely? Are they going to increase? Are we going to find more oil or not? And if so, what's the implications of that? So that's one thing. Another what-if thing we might want to think about is this. Well, a few years ago, the consumption of oil really expanded dramatically. The growth of countries like China and India in particular increased the demand for oil. However, now we have a recession and that demand is not quite as strong. Well, what will happen in the next few years? What happens if the oil demand stays as it is? What happens if it goes to a very high level? What happens if it drops off? And this has, of course, implications for the oil price, which, of course, is quite a big implication for Shell full stop. Another thing that Shell would have to think, another what if, would be this. What happens if people find different solutions to oil?